is seen in another neon link parad is to said Gavard.
Perfect afternoon, Mama and Papa. I am Carmen Constance. I am a son of the house.
What's wrong with you?
I went to a funeral. I conducted to trap and fall out of the house. I couldn't walk on my feet, and suddenly I just saw myself on the floor and no shoe fitted me. Nothing. I had to drive from Paulside, bare feet, until into Cape Town again. And it's like this for a whole week. And I said no this morning. It can't go on like this. I need to go see my spiritual parents.
Can I repair your leg?
Yes, sir.
So is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Watch. Which is seen in another neon link parad is to said Gavard. Denamautost is that? Gavard. Gavard. Tustast. Grille. Okay, leave her. Put your leg down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. No. Put it down now. Why are you hanging it?
Thank you, Papa.
This way.
You know, it's not even when Papa anoints you. When you look at the man of God, you still feel that fire. That fire was burning, because the oil what he's carrying is all over. It's not only on his hands. So that is how I feel. So I thank God for Papa's life and Mama's life. I appreciate everything what they've done for us all over the years and now up till today. And I thank you so much.
Upcoming events with the bondservant of Christ, John Anosike. Roar for Canada. Revival fire and demonstration of the Spirit's power.
Please note that the dates remain the 12th and 13th June 2026, but the times have changed to 3 p.m.
daily. Venue, Center Slush Puppy. 500 Boulevard de la Cité, Gatineau, Quebec. J8T0H4, Canada. Entrée Amphithéâtre entrance. To register, kindly scan the QR code on the screen.